So, oh, that's working, yeah. Mom, ano ba yung, kasi like,
Yeah, the biggest,
it's, ano ba yung biggest regret? O, hindi regret, pero ano ba yung pinakamahirap na decision?
Yeah, yung pinakamahirap na decision is to go to other country. Kasi I know, first is we don't have any relatives. Second,
Nung pumalit kayo sa Canada,
nung pumunta kami sa Canada.
yun yung pinakamahirap na decision sa buhay mo.
Yeah, yun yung pinaka-biggest. Kasi I know that there is no relative. And besides, new culture. Tapos, syempre, as new culture, mahirap, yung thought ko, mahirap maghanap ng trabaho. That was 2002. That's the biggest decision. Even siguro si daddy, hindi. Pero nag-decide si daddy because hindi sa sarili, kundi para sa mga anak. Yun ang decision ng daddy. Kaya sumunod ako. Kasi